Talking a little bit about how we create the system of action. And we like to think of it as you need to detect what is happening on the line. There needs to be a decision about what should happen, and then that action should follow. We often think of it as kind of the operations heartbeat in the factory, where you have an operator who needs to know what's expected of them, supervisors that can help support the operators and train the ones that needs training, help solve the problems that needs to be your slide on kind of with a subject matter expert in the mix of the data science process here, because that's exactly what we're trying to do here. Can you give the subject matter expert the tools that previously wouldn't have been available to them so that they can expand their own data labeling significantly? And I'm just going to zoom in to make the whole cycle a little bit clearer. And let's just name it Blender cycle time. The description is interesting because what we're doing with the description there is actually giving a plain text description to the interval allows an LLM to understand what it is. So now you've gone from unlabeled data to labeled data by someone who has the experience to understand what does the shape of all this look like, using both dynamic time warping and k-nearest neighbors to detect it moving forward, implement alerts to it as well. Because in that kind of the way we look at the system of action is, you need that kind of real-time data ingestion, the real-time feed, detect what is happening in real time, and then either you can prescribe set point changes to the operators, giving them work instructions for what needs to happen on the line, or set up work with AI.
Recording from this, but thank you all for joining today.
Thank you all so much. Take care.